The diet industry has been lying to you, and you've been hydrating wrong. Hi, I'm Sarah from Blaze Yoga and Pilates, and I'm super stoked to talk hydration with you today. First things first, comment down below. I want to know what you've been doing for hydration and how it's been working for you. Lots of people out there are using lots of different products, and what I've noticed over the years, we went from a group of folks in the hot yoga industry drinking a lot of coconut water to starting to supplement with lots of different types of powders and electrolyte supplements. And the more and more we've gotten into this industry, the more those supplements are including ingredients that are grown in a laboratory and are sugar-free. So people are adding things like erythritol and monk fruit and stevia so that they can produce for you sugar-free electrolyte supplements. Well, that doesn't make any sense because sodium is carried into your cell hand in hand by sugar molecules. We maintain our hydration in our body by a sodium-potassium pump, so we all know that hydration and electrolytes go hand in hand, and they're super duper important. But all this time, folks have been trying to save 5 calories by not eating sugar. You've just been peeing out those expensive electrolytes you've been eating. So we are really excited that we have partnered with Dr. Stacy Sims and her company Osmo to start bringing to you a brand new electrolyte supplement. Now listen, if you have diabetes and you have to be super careful about the way you watch your sugars, you may really need something that's sugar-free. But for most of us, sugar-free is not only unnecessary, but it's actually completely unhelpful. The other thing you've got to remember too is that women are not just like men and our bodies don't work the same. Depending on which phase of your cycle you're in, you may actually need more sugars in your body. So one of the coolest things about Osmo is they make an electrolyte supplement that works for everybody, but they also make an electrolyte supplement that is designed just for women, particularly in the high hormone phase of their periods. So high hormone is post-ovulation. Anytime between ovulation and the first day of your period, women literally use sugars worse. So we need to have sugars available in our body. Do you ever notice, like before your period, you're hungry all day and you just want to eat carbs? That's for 2 main reasons. One, your liver needs carbohydrates so that it can process and get rid of all those extra hormones in this super high hormone phase of your cycle. And 2, because you actually don't use the glycogen in your cells as well. And you need free-floating glucose in your bloodstream so that you actually use it and can have energy. So women don't function like just tinier versions of men. The same thing goes for sodium. Women actually need more sodium in their diets during the high hormone phase because your temperature is higher and you lose sodium more quickly and sweat more easily. So there are these adaptations that need to be made, and that's the groundbreaking work that Dr. Stacy Sims has done about women and competitive fitness. And these products are the solution that she's brought. We're also really psyched to be able to sell their rapid recovery products for post-workout, protein supplement designed for everybody, protein supplement designed specifically for women, particularly in the post-ovulatory phase of your cycle. So do I actually need a recovery protein after I exercise? If you took a yoga class and burned 200 calories and didn't do a lot of load bearing, probably not. But if you're taking our IHP Plus classes or hot and heavy, you're doing doubles in the yoga room, you probably actually do. And one of the biggest tricky parts for women is that post-exercise, our muscles need to repair themselves. And the way that our bodies are designed, under stress, men's bodies build more muscle and burn fat. Women's bodies, under stress, we eat muscle and store fat because our bodies, old school, had really different purposes. We needed to make sure we stored food for the babies, for the long haul, for the famine. And so within 30 to 60 minutes of exercise, it's really important for women to be getting protein in their bodies because catabolizing muscle means eating it. And you're doing weightlifting and exercising to build muscle, but your body is going to get those amino acids to repair them wherever it needs to. And sometimes we do that by catabolizing muscles. That's one of the reasons that people with anorexia nervosa have so many heart problems, is because the body doesn't care where it gets the muscle tissue from. It takes it from all muscle, even your heart. So if you're doing intense exercise, especially lifting heavy weights, and for women, you'll notice that the women's supplement has even more protein than the men's because we need more protein. Start banging that into your routine. If you're looking to lay down more muscle and get bigger, this is the way to do it. So we're super excited to be able to offer those products here and really excited to get you guys on your road to fueling and taking good care of your body in a way that actually works with your biology, not just because some Instagram influencer said that you shouldn't have sugar in your electrolyte supplements. We're really excited to bring these products to you this week at the studio, so keep your eyes out. Coming soon.